Welcome back to the Waterside Holiday Group. Today we're at Chesil Beach Holiday Park. Check out this brand new ABI Ingleton. The exterior of this holiday home has a really nice design with the Coralux cladding with contrasting windows and doors in the anthracite grey. Let's have a look inside. It's a really nice modern space and open plan. Starting off with your dining nook with a table and chairs, the perfect place to wine, dine and relax as a family or with your friends. What's really unique about this holiday home is its kitchen design. We've got plenty of storage, all of the appliances you could want, including this breakfast bar. Really handy to have that additional seating. As we come through, we've got your oven, grill and hob with the extractor above. Over to this side, your sink in the black, super modern design. And below this, we've got the slimline dishwasher. And to this side, the washing machine. Above the washing machine, we'll notice the microwave, all built in and a super sleek design. Your lounge is a really comfortable space with freestanding furniture with your corner sofa and the armchair, the perfect spot to relax, kick back, watch a bit of television. And one of my favourite features are these patio doors that slide out, going straight out to what will be your decking space with beautiful views out to the sea. To the back half of this holiday home, first up is your twin bedroom. Inside of here is a really cosy design, great colour palette, again keeping it nice and modern. The two single beds with plenty of space down the centre, bedside table across from your mirror, extra plug sockets, built-in wardrobe with drawers, and even a spot for a television to go up. In addition to that, you do have your own vanity area in the second bedroom, which is super rare. Inside of your family shower room, there's plenty of storage, which is super handy as an owner. Toilet, basin with under sink storage and a big walk-in shower. And check this out. The master bedroom is huge. You've got a king-size bed, amples of space around to get ready, plenty of storage with your large wardrobes, 4-door wardrobe in fact, drawers below. Over to this side, your vanity dressing area, again with plenty of space going around, the drawers and even a window seat. A really nice feature. Just to the side of this, we're doubling up on the showers with your own ensuite shower room, again with toilet, basin and great storage. So if luxury holiday home ownership sounds like something you would enjoy, click the link below or give us a call on 01 305 836 836.